stop. Stop all the diet confusion. This short presentation is only for busy women like you who want a simple, fast way to lose weight without having to starve yourself, do crazy exercise, or sacrifice great tasting foods. You're about to learn the premier weight loss and health acceleration technique for women based on the same nutritional science used by celebrities, personal trainers, health bloggers, and fit moms all over the world. And it's so simple that women just like you are using the same information to transform their bodies and lives every day. Like Isabel from Oklahoma, who says, "I just wanted to say thank you for this wonderful information. I am into week 3 and so far I've lost 12 pounds. My blood pressure is normal, my cholesterol is good, my migraines are almost non-existent, and I have loads of energy. After years of trying every diet out there, I believe my search is finally over. I recommend this program to all of my friends and family."
The Smoothie Diet Review, the Smoothie Diet 21 Days program. The Smoothie Diet is a popular weight loss program that revolves around the consumption of smoothies as the primary source of nutrition. What is the Smoothie Diet? The Smoothie Diet is essentially a meal replacement program that encourages individuals to incorporate smoothies into their daily routine. It is designed to promote weight loss by controlling calorie intake and increasing nutrient consumption. The concept is straightforward. Consume nutrient-dense smoothies instead of regular meals. Ingredients and formula. The ingredients used in smoothies vary, but generally include fruits like berries, bananas, and mangoes, leafy greens such as spinach or kale, protein sources like yogurt, protein powder, or nut butter, and liquids such as water, milk, or juice. The formula emphasizes a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats and vitamins to ensure a well-rounded meal replacement. Check real customer review link in the description. Benefits of the Smoothie Diet. Weight loss. One of the primary benefits is potential weight loss due to reduced calorie intake and increased nutrient intake. Nutrient-rich. Smoothies can be an excellent way to increase your intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Convenience. The diet is often praised for its convenience, as preparing a smoothie is quick and can be done on the go. Hydration. Many smoothie recipes incorporate liquids, aiding in hydration. Potential side effects: digestive issues. Some people may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or diarrhea, if their bodies are not accustomed to a high-fiber diet. Does the smoothie diet work?
Hey, my name is Amanda, and I wanted to share the results that I've had using a diet called the Smoothie Diet. I started the diet after having my second son. I had gained about 70 pounds all in all throughout 2 pregnancies and had tried many other ways to take the weight off, and just nothing was working for me. Everything was just too hard, or I was hungry all the time, and I was super cranky. And so I found the Smoothie Diet, which is so easy to follow. You basically just make the smoothies, which taste amazing. You replace certain meals with them. The shopping lists are included, recipes are included, and all in all, it was a very easy diet for me to follow. I've been using everything I learned from the program to keep the weight coming off. So at this point, I've lost almost 70 pounds. The smoothies were absolutely delicious. They were filling. I never really felt like I was missing out on anything. And the best part, especially as a young mom, was the incredible energy that I felt like I had. I didn't even feel like I needed my morning coffee anymore. Drew was absolutely fantastic to work with. Anytime I had a question or I needed more information about something, I was able to email him and he would email me right back with the information that I needed. So I never felt like I was in the dark. I always felt like there was communication there. So I would highly recommend this smoothie diet to anyone who's looking for a really great and easy way to lose weight without feeling like you're hungry or missing out on something.
All backed by our 60 days 100% money-back guarantee. Buy smoothies from official website. Check below in description. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful review, please subscribe our channel, like and share this to your friends.